Hey, what's up, everybody? I am your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I have a really awesome, huge unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime subscribe and save box. I believe it's shipped from Cleveland, Ohio to South Bend, Indiana. As I'm opening this, I want to say I'm not sponsored by Amazon. I wish I was, or any of the products that are haven't mentioned, but I really wish I was. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also, if you have a product that you want me to do a taste test or review of, you want to send me some stuff, let me know. I can't do a taste test of these, but I can do a review of them. They work very well. This is American Kennel Club brand ultra absorbent training pads, fresh scent. So I've got a dog, and I can't always be home. Sometimes he can't hold it, and he's got to use the potty pad. So I do the subscribe and save option for these. I got 2 of them right here. That was all that was in this box. But it's got this cute little golden retriever on there. And you know, one day if I get another puppy, we're going to potty train him or her, and it'll work out, you know. So do you have a recommendation for great potty training, whatever? He is potty trained. It's just, you know, he's 10. Sometimes he can't hold it all day. But he's my baby. So do you guys like dogs? Do you like cats? Leave a comment below and let me talk about your animals. Do you have fish? I cried when one of my fish died. He was a great Diego. Yeah. Please support my channel. Please hit the share button, the notification bell, and just check out some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. I wish you the best. Have a great day.